to another video. Coach Kirk Shinta here. In today's video, I wanted to actually show proof that I had another $300 commission come in from Infinity Processing System. So what I wanted to do was, in this quick video, was to share about what Infinity Processing System is, how it's helping people make extra income from home, and what it's really doing for people. So Infinity Processing System is a training system and a work from home income vehicle. What it allows you to do is to make instant $300 commissions. That's the main thing, is that it gives you the ability to earn those instant $300 commissions. It also has some additional commission levels, but most serious income earners or people from home who want to earn income, they will start at the pro level. The product itself is how people are actually making income. I'm going to put over here a screenshot of the actual membership area, and this is the secret sauce. What Infinity Processing System is a training system that breaks down for affiliate marketers what they need to know in the online space to be able to earn income. Okay, what habits do they need to develop to make money in the income space? What daily routines do they need to develop in the income space? What marketing strategies on social media platforms do they need to learn and master in the online space to make income in the online space and full-time income? If you want to learn how to do that, these are things that you must learn. So that's what Infinity Processing System helps you do. So if you're a person and you're watching this and you're self-motivated, you're self-driven, and you would like to start a legitimate home-based business that not only pays, but that also gives you the training that you need to be able to break through and really understand how to make online income your winning thing, right? So if that's something that you want to learn how to do, then that's what Infinity Processing System will show you how to do. Now, what I want to first do is talk about how I got this commission. Okay, so I make simple, 5 to 10 minute videos, and I put them out on YouTube, which is a free platform, and that's one of the platforms that Infinity Processing System shows you how to leverage and how to use, and the exact strategy to use on those free platforms to be able to earn income from home. Okay, so I make these simple videos, right? And the good thing is nowadays you can make videos and not even have to show your face. So if that's what's holding you back from making money online, you could get over that, right? Because there's ways to do screen share videos and to still get the information out there. Anyways, I make simple videos, I put them out there, I put my affiliate link in the description, and people make buying decisions. Okay, so I'm gonna put over here, I had someone at 6 o'clock this morning. They not only watched my presentation, made a decision to join, and paid, right? That's the power of automation from watching my video. My video's out there 24/7. That's why YouTube is my favorite platform. And these are some of the things that you're being taught in Infinity Processing System. So for example, one of the things that it teaches you, Infinity Processing teaches you how to do at the pro level, is how to set up a automated income or semi-automated income system, right? Which has a autoresponder sequence. That is the power of hands-off passive income. So literally I would sleep at 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't get out my bed until like 7:50, right? So when I get out, well, some days, but anyway, today I wasn't getting out of my bed. And while I was asleep, someone made a decision and purchased at the $300 level, because not only was my video going to work for me, which Infinity Processing System shows you how to do, but the autoresponder series that it shows you how to set up and gives you the email series too. It gave the person who purchased today more information until they were ready to make a buying decision, and they did. And when they make that buying decision, I am able to make $300 commissions. Anyone who joins Infinity Processing System at the pro level can be able to duplicate those same types of results. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to over here, I'm gonna go ahead and include some additional testimonials of our members, new people, new affiliates straight out of the box that are getting results. Seasoned veterans who are adding this in this toolbox because they know that it can help other affiliates who need the core training on how to be a better affiliate, how to be a profitable affiliate, and how to set up your business the right way to help automate some of the you know, behind the scenes things that you need so that you can make the income that you want when you're asleep, just like I did this morning. So if this is you, you're watching this, you're motivated, you're ready to make $300 commissions, you're ready to learn the strategies that the people that not only myself but the people in this program are learning and applying to get these types of results. If that's something you would like to do and you want to learn how to be a better affiliate marketing is a great business model, because you're not going in debt and things like that. You're not losing a whole bunch of your money and things like that. Like affiliate marketing is a smart business model. You just get paid for referrals, right? And that's why it's a smart business model, right? But anyways, that said, if that's you, you're watching that and you're motivated, you're ready to get started, what I want you to do is enter your best email below so that we can get connected. Watch the full presentation, okay? If you're ready to get started today, go ahead, position yourself, right? Again, most people position themselves at pro. You know, about a third of the other people position themselves at elite, right? For those who are serious marketers. And then from there, you'll get connected to me and get access to my additional bonuses that will help position you for success. These bonuses will help demystify some of the things that you need to know in the online space, my little shortcuts that I've learned, right? And you'll get access to those. And that's that. So I will see you in the next video. Smash that subscribe button. Let me know your best takeaways below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.